It's no longer news that a lot of people come on here to tell us that getting subscribers is quite easy, but getting the watch hours, it's very difficult. All right. Today, I am here to tell you otherwise. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another wonderful video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be telling us how to get your complete 4,000 watch hours as fast as you can. All right. So, if you know you're interested in this video, sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end. All right, guys, without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do as a creator on YouTube to get your complete 4,000 watch hours is creating valuable content. All right. Now, just as the name implies, watch hours, they are the hours that are accumulated from the people or the audience watching your videos. All right. So if people do not watch your videos, of course, there's no way you can get a watch time. All right. Now, you need to be very, very intentional about creating your content, starting from the title, the description, the video itself. All right. You should be able to create something that people will want to watch. YouTube has passed that stage or that level whereby you just create anything and drop on the YouTube space and you expect to people to watch. YouTube has metamorphosed, all right? YouTube has grown. YouTube has billions of creators in it, all right? So you have to be intentional. You have to put in the work. You have to put in efforts. Creating a valuable content doesn't necessarily mean that you must have to be doing a tutorial or educating people on something. No, value can come in so many ways. Value can come even in your vlogs, yes, whereby you show people how to live a life, or there are so many things you can actually do. Value can even come from comedy. Yes, you can do a comedy series that is teaching a moral lesson, or just make sure you are dishing out value. All right, you are giving people what they want to see. People want to learn. People want to keep learning. All right, so try as much as you can to create content that are valuable, content that will keep people watching. If you don't get content that will keep people watching, people will keep scrolling past your videos. So this is the very first thing you need to do. Create a valuable content. It's not just all about create a valuable content, something that people will see and they will feel the enthusiasm to watch. Even if they're not watching your videos from beginning to the end, but at least they're watching some part of your videos. All right. I'm not talking about getting people so much engrossed in your video. Just get them to watch. Of course, time is money, so people may not want to spend a whole lot of time watching the whole of your videos, but let them watch at least some part of your video. So this is the very first thing you need to do for you to start accumulating your watch hours as fast as you can. Now, the second thing you need to do for you to start accumulating your 4,000 watch hours is live streaming. Yes, live streaming. I mean, if you haven't started live streaming, you're on a long thing. Yes. I know so many creators have come on here to talk about live streaming, live streaming, live streaming. They are not lying to you. They are telling you the truth, okay? Live streaming is very, very important for you to accumulate your watch hours. I don't care how you want to do your live stream, just be live streaming. You can decide to do a silent live stream. You can decide to showcase yourself maybe when you're cooking or anything, just live stream. Okay, live streaming helps to accumulate watch hours as fast as you can even think of. All right, even YouTube Insider, Creator Insider, they mentioned something like that about live streaming. If you want to push your watch hours, you should be live streaming. So many people have talked about it. All right, so do not sleep on live streaming. Do not sleep on live streaming. And if you are just hearing about live streaming for the very first time today, my people will always say, by the way, I'm Igbo. Igbos will always say, "Mbonye jitete bụ ụtụtụ ya." Okay, so when you wake up is your morning. So if you're just hearing this information right now, this is your morning. So you can start now and start implementing it. All right, live streaming will skyrocket. When I mean skyrocket, it will skyrocket your watch hours. Try it and see. Okay, you will try it and come and give testimony. I am not blabbing. I am telling you from experience. Okay, start live streaming immediately. But then, if you are live streaming, please, please, please make sure you are live streaming properly. Do not get copyright infringements. make sure that what you are live streaming yourself, or if you want to do a silent live stream, you can live stream maybe a part of your house or anything else. So just make sure you are live streaming. All right. So start live streaming today. Now, the third and the final tip I have for you to get your watch hours as fast as you can is consistency. When I'm talking about consistency right now, I don't mean just posting or maybe once. You need to bombard YouTube with your content. Like, you need to bombard them. Like, you need to post as much as you can. You need to disturb them, if I can use that. We need to disturb YouTube with your content. Yes. Now, when you are posting, there is no way. When you have posted the first one, second one, third one, there's no way people will not start watching your videos. And there's no way YouTube will not understand or recognize that there is a creator that is serious out there trying to push out content. They will start pushing out your content too. Yes. So, consistency I'm talking about here is as in the higher level of consistency, like upload back to back. Yes. If you can upload back to back, keep pushing out content there as much as you can. I'm not going to start telling you, oh, do it on daily basis or no. You know yourself. Do it. Start pushing it as much as your strength can carry you back to back. Give it out to them so that YouTube on their own will know that yes, there's a serious person here, and they will keep pushing out your videos. Then the audience as well will be seeing your videos, and they will be watching. They will keep clicking to watch. All right. And before you know it, your watch hours will be accumulated. If you do all these three things I spoke to you about today, there is no way, if you know what you're doing, that within 2 weeks you will not complete. Okay, highest 1 month, you will not complete your 4,000 watch hours. Yes. Also, guys, at this point, I believe this video has been of value to someone out there. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section. You can equally drop your questions if you have any. What else? Subscribe to the channel. Yes, subscribe to the channel. Okay. And most importantly, share this video. Share this video so that more people can get to see this good news. All right. So guys, till I see you guys next time. Bye for now.